Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal, and I am so excited to be back and making another card with you. Today we are going to be using the Dachshund, our hot dog stamp set, and I'm just going to do a really quick and easy paper piecing. We're going to do two different sides, a left and a right, with I think a chevron-y stripe paper on the left, and I think just a neutral green on the right. We're going to cut out a tag, do some coloring. So let's go ahead and get started. And then what I'm going to do is just decide how much of the chevron paper I want on the left and how much of the green I want on the right. And I'm just going to butt them up against each other and then use the back of the card as my template to go ahead and cut out the card shape. And the idea for this layout, I got it from an SMD Paper Arts. It's a blog. It's smdgreetings.blogspot.com, and they had this up as one of the layout ideas. And I'm going to go ahead and use our rubber stamp, the JessicaLynnOriginal.com. This is our Dachshunds. This is the Weiner dog or hot dog stamp set. And you can see all of our stamps come professionally packaged. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take, and I'm going to stamp these little guys on some white cardstock. Now, I always keep all my scraps. I just have like a little bin that I toss it all in because I never know what I'm going to need a certain size. And it always seems to come in shape, or in handy. Now, just so that you know, our stamps are high quality photopolymer. All of our stamps are produced in the United States. They are high quality. As a side note, just know that if you're purchasing stamps and they cost very, very little, like we're talking less than $2, they're probably not made of photopolymer. They will probably disintegrate, fall apart, and they are probably knockoff stamps, so definitely be cautious of that. All of the stamps that we offer here at JessicaLynnOriginal.com are high photopolymer. It's a high quality grade of stamping. And this stamp set comes with a "You're a Real Hot Dog" or a sentiment that says "Sorry I was a brat" or a brat. I thought that'd be kind of fun, especially with the little wiener dog dressed in a hot dog costume. I just thought it was way too cute. Now the reason I'm going to stamp that in the center is that I'm going to be using a die cut that looks like a tag to cut this out in a little while. And I know that I'm going to want it centered on the tag. The other option is I could have cut the tag first and then put the stamp on, but I decided I was going to go ahead and do this and color them in. Now when I color in the wiener dogs or dachshund, I am going to be using my Copic markers, and I will do my best to go ahead and put the cap down so that you can see the color of Copic marker that I'm using. Little bit of glitter pen just makes the ketchup on the little Dachshund in its little costume just look a little sparkly. I am going to use a brown glitter pen as well to go ahead and put a little accent on his eyes, make them look a little glossy. And then I'm also going to color in the costume just a little bit because, you know, it's a costume, it's theatrical. I'll just make it a little sparkly. Went ahead and cut this out using a die cut, which I think looks so cute. I'm really happy with it. And then we're going to go ahead and put them on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use some glue to put the tag down, but I think I'm going to put the dog on some foam risers just to give the card a little bit of depth, because this one is truly all about paper piecing and there's a lot of pieces glued heavily down. I want to go ahead and get a really nice shadow, if I can, of the dog. And with the angle the dog is at, he does kind of sit nicely at a 45-degree angle when you glue him down. So let me go ahead and grab some foam risers and then we'll get him on the card. I think this is such a cute card. I love the way it ended up turning out. I like the colors on it. The little wiener dog looks so cute in his little costume. And I don't know, looks good. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. If you subscribe to our channel, thank you. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down in the lower right-hand corner. We'd love to have you come back and visit us again. Again, I am Jessica Lynn, and I'm the owner of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Have a good day.